So I know this is like random, right? I met you at Tunde's birthday.
Oh yeah, I remember you.
Yeah.
We spoke we spoke.
Yeah, and I really enjoyed that conversation.
Me too.
And I was like, we just left. It was like, okay, where do I get to see you, right? And Sunday told me that you're at Howard, right? But like, it was just like, oh no, you're at Howard, I'm at Westfall, so many things. So I had to call Campus Crush to set this up. But I'm glad that you're here. I just wanted to tell you that I like you.
Wow.
And I've been thinking about you like the whole week, so I'm really glad that you're here. So, yeah.
Okay, I have a confession.
Okay.
I was trying to act like a lady the night we met, but like I like you too. I really do. Like we vibed.
Yeah,
it was dope.
Okay, so are you single?
I am single. Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single. Okay. So, are you my girl now? What you say?
Okay, I guess so.
Yeah. Alright, okay. But, so would you say you're my girl now?
Pretty much.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is exciting. I feel like, even though I don't really know you that much,
Yeah.
I feel like we can really just vibe. So
You don't look that excited, dude.
I don't know, I'm just like overwhelmed, okay? Like, jeez. Like, whoa.
Is this for me?
Yeah, I got you some food, just trying to be a gentleman. And this, whole thing. But I hope you like pasta, chicken.
Okay.
I'm trying to be romantic. But so tell me more about yourself. Like,
Yeah, so I'm studying geography in the second year. I'm from Zim.
Okay. You're studying geography.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I'm studying science. I'm doing maths, stats, and economics.
Jeez, dude, your brain, you like mega mind up in here.
No, okay. Like, people usually wince when you say maths.
No, I think it's pretty cool. Like, do you like it though? Like, do you actually like it?
Yeah, I do.
You know what? I don't think I can eat in front of you. Like, I'm really shy. I'm good shy.
Really?
I'm good shy.
Eat, girl. Like, yo. You sure? Do you want me to help you with that? Okay. I hope this really works out. So, look at us now. Already. Couple goals, eh? Hey, I know. If we had that like spaghetti and then we did that like.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
I know.
Okay, I'm talking with something in my mouth. But anyway.
Yeah, like. Well, you're very.
So I come to Westville to see my friend, then I get a boyfriend. What are the odds?
Okay. Oh yeah. She is the one that set it up.
Bali set this whole thing up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill her! Oh my god! She knew this whole time!
Yeah. Well, listen, I begged her. I was like, yo, let me just.
Oh, Baji!
So, yeah.
Oh my god, Baji!
That's yeah. Yeah, you said you're from Zim. Which parts?
Bulawayo, where are you from?
Harare. Can you speak Shona?
A little bit.
Okay. What do you say?
Yeah, I did it okay.
Oh shit! Oh my word. Okay. Oh man. So if I like speak Shona to you, like no problem whatsoever.
No, not at all.
Okay. What other languages do you speak?
I speak French, Ndebele.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Zulu. I did Zulu in grade 10.
Okay. Well, I speak Afrikaans on paper though.
Okay. The only thing I can say in Afrikaans is Baya Danki. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. The only thing I can say in French is Allez bleu, allez fromage. What does that mean? Like?
Blue cheese. But you didn't say it right, but blue cheese essentially.
I've been saying blue cheese to like random people now. Oh my word. Okay. Well, you will teach me something. Right.
I'll teach you.
Okay, I'll teach you some Afrikaans,
Please do.
Okay. It's a random. Oh man. Yeah. So you speak like how many languages? You speak English, Zulu,
Yeah.
Shona,
Ndebele.
Ndebele. French. Oh my word! Wow. Okay. That must be really smart then.
You could say that.
Okay. Yes.
Anyway.
Okay. Sure.
So where do
Yeah.
you stay?
I stay around Botanic Gardens.
Oh my god, that place is really pretty.
Yeah, we should go there.
Right?
Yeah. If you're not like allergic to flowers or something like that.
I have sinuses, but it's okay. I'll take my medication before, and then we can just go look at flowers and stuff and birds.
So if you didn't have like any tablets with you, and if I gave you a flower like a rose or something, would that be a
You know
problem?
what? Don't do that. Rather you get me actual flour because I can eat it than flowers because I'll sneeze the whole time and it will just be awful. So yeah, just don't.
That
do
was
it.
slick. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay.